Caring for myself is not self-indulgence, it is a self-preservation, and that is an act of political warfare. Let's go over here and explore this. Man-made. Ooh. This is the third one, but the biggest so far I've seen. I feel like it's some... It just reminds me of a Norwegian death metal thing. I don't know why. I don't know why. It's so creepy. At night, I don't know. I just have an imagination. This is neat. This is cool. Oh my gosh. I'm too tall to be doing this. Okay. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is massive. Wow. Okay.